What are you doing with the babies?
I'm putting them in the rocking chair.
Why? Are they tired? Why are you putting them in the rocking chair?
They're so tired.
Why are they so tired?
I'm gonna move. They're so sleepy.
Yeah?
They're so sleepy.
They're so sleepy?
I'm putting them in the rocking chair. That's why
Oh, okay.
I'm putting them in the rocking.
That's why you're putting them in the rocking chair? Because they're so sleepy. Why are they so sleepy?
In my rocking chair. Going in my rocking chair.
Shreya, why are they so
I'm gonna
sleepy?
Put them.
Okay, why are they so sleepy?
I don't need this baby.
No?
I don't need this baby. I like Arthur.
You like Arthur?
Yeah.
There's Arthur.
I'm going to get another baby to sleep. I'm going to get another baby to sleep.
Okay.
This baby gets to...
What's that baby's name? Does that baby have a name?
Yeah.
What's her name? You don't know?
No. I don't know.
Do you need help?
I need help.
Do you need help?
I need help with this.
They don't all fit on there?
Nope.
Okay, let me see. Is that good?
No, that's not good. I'm going to put her feet and I'm going to put her feet.
Oh, let's see. How about...
That?
That's not the right way?
That's not the right way.
Okay, I'm going to help you, okay? Don't cry. Shreya, don't cry. I'm going to help you, okay? Oh, don't cry. Okay now?
That's okay.
Can you sing them a song? Twinkle, twinkle or something?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm moving them. I'm moving
Can you sing
them
them?
a little.
Can you sing the Wheels on the Bus?
We'll none of us go out to the house. I'm gonna get the book.
Okay. Can you sing the Wheels on the Bus? That book is over there.
That's good.
That's good.